of Polynesia. From PCC Sun and Leka Prescott for you. The Ma'ulu'ulu is one of the only numbers in Tongan dancing where men and women are able to sit down and dance the same motions. I am Makarita Wolfram Tafuna with Pounds of Polynesia. We are a combination of... So ladies and gentlemen, from the island of Tonga, our men to perform for you the Mako. At this time, I think it is only fitting that I say a few words about a person that is beloved by all of us. And we dedicate this Tongan session to him. A year ago, Sione Tufui Wolfgram passed away in Aotearoa. He is the father of Joshua Wolfgram, and he has children that perform on this stage this day, their debut. And so we would like to remember him, for he was one of the most beautiful dancers. And I know that all of you have had who dance here in Arizona have had Joshua on your stage. If you think he's good, he's nothing compared to his father. That's right. And so we're only honored to perform for him today. The mako was one of his very favorite number. And he married a Kiwi girl from Aotearoa, Kakalu Hemi Elkington Warren. Auntie Louise taught all of us, so we bring Sione Tufui's grandson Toa to lead us in our boys' haka. Kaha would join the stage from the island of New Zealand, our babies, to do for you the haka. Take it away. Joshua and his son Tanikaha. Taleni Pacificitona. Go for it. Thank you, mothers and Tongan women, for your beautiful art we display on stage today.
I see
come out here because it's very dark back here. Young boys, come on up here where we can see you. Come on up here. Come on, up here. You're not dancing till you listen to me and come up here. Come on. No, it's okay. Come up here. Marty and Matthew Clark.
Tonga, Tenteru, Soke! Soke, Siara Tori no Fota, Tuya Soke, the Fafa, the Matangi, Sake, yo. Soke, Mamma,
And so we love doing so. And today, typical of Tongan culture, we end with a lakalaka. This lakalaka is special to me. It was composed by Muri Kinikini in the island of Koloa when he was on a mission there. When my parents, my children's grandparent, and Poten Tila, the Auntie Ruby performed this lakalaka only as a little girl. Later, Muri Kinikini brought it to Uiha, taught it at the Saints there, and it made its way to Liahona High School and all the way to the Polynesia Culture Center. It is truly a classic lakalaka. And I have told these children and these young men that they are privileged to be able to perform such a classic dance on a stage as like today. So I hope you'll enjoy Laka Laka Siosefa Saamita from the island of Tonga as we bid you farewell. Thank you so very much, Arizona Aloha Festival, for the support throughout the many, many years that we have been a part of your lives, and you have been a part of my life, where for my children were literally raised on this stage, Aloha Festival stage.
Lima ke walunga. Teu teu. Fua. Vamos. Vamos. Viva.
Comments in the audience, if you know this, sing along with us. And if you know this dance, come up and perform it with us. Waving to my right, proudly is our Tongan flag. Siosefa, Joe, Kalaka.